Okay, so this is a demonstration of my assembly software codenamed Diamondback. It's unscripted and I only want to do one take. So here we go. So what I can do is I can pick some solid models here. Let's pick a 90-degree bracket. Let's rotate it X 90. Let's go the other. Well, no, let's go the other way. Let's go, already off to a horrible start. That's fine. Whatever. And then let's get some other parts here. This is not the most convenient way to add parts, but it's fine for a prototype. Now let's get the big beam X 90 degrees. We'll grab it, line it up here. That, go an X. Make sure they're not overlapping. And let's pin those. So we'll go pin. Let's get our pin. X 90. Grab. A little off. Raise it up a little bit. And then let's go one more. Let's go two beam X 90. Grab. Line this up. Like that, and we'll just, since you already have a pin here, we can just duplicate it. X here, grab Z, a little bit higher. Okay, I'm not taking my time really assembling these things, but you get the idea. So we have a little contraption here, and then I'm going to run this script. I might edit this. I mean, this is Python, and it's Python through the Blender API, so it's even a little bit slower. But we'll just have to wait. It's not that long. But we'll just sit here. So the whole motivation of this is just to, I find working with solid parts to be way more convenient, and you know, you can render tens of millions of atoms or hundreds of millions of atoms, but I don't think there's I don't think that's necessary, right? It's like, how many balls can you look at once, right? It's probably a couple dozen. So I want to work in solid parts. And that's kind of the motivation of, or I should solid models of atomistic parts. And that's kind of the motivation for that. And we're still waiting for the script to run. Okay, it's finished. So also, so we'll just load this. I guess I have more to say on atomistic parts, and when they're necessary and when they're not. Load. There we go. We'll switch to, but I'll save that for a different video. There we go. That's a maybe a, all right. Well, I didn't take my time doing it, but there you go. A short little demonstration.